There may be times in a Word document where you want to start a new line but not a new paragraph. We know that if you press enter here, you're going to get another bullet. So what you might want to do is keep your data with the paragraph but have it start on a new line. The first thing we want to do is switch on the show hide, because that'll show us what we've got there. At the moment, after the word dog, there's a backwards P, which is an enter. Now, if I want to start a new line but not a new paragraph, I need to do something called a soft return. We know that if I do a hard return, which is just a straight enter, it will give me another bulleted point. If I want a soft return, so start a new line but not a new paragraph, shift and enter. And from here I can type in my words. Pressing an enter creates a bulleted point, or a soft return you can insert that will enable you to start a new line but not a new paragraph by pressing shift enter.